Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Typeform versus Jotform. Which form builder is better? Now, both Typeform and Jotform are popular online form builders. They both feature drag and drop editors, templates, conditional logic, and third-party integrations. The right choice really depends on your specific needs, which we'll explore in this concise comparison of their features, pricing, and pros and cons. We have the links to both services in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. And now to the features. When you're talking about the form style, Typeform focuses on a one question at a time conversational forms. Jotform, on the other hand, offers both traditional multi-question forms and a similar card style. Then you have the product suite. Jotform is an all-in-one platform with tools for building apps, databases, and custom PDFs. Typeform is primarily focused on the form building experience. When it comes to customization, Jotform provides a deeper level of design customization and a wider array of widgets, while Typeform, on the other hand, prioritizes an elegant, minimalistic aesthetic. They both have AI capabilities. Jotform provides AI for form creation and smart PDFs, while Typeform uses AI for content suggestions and generating follow-up questions. Integrations are important, and Jotform has a more extensive list of integrations. We're talking about over 150, including a wider range of payment gateways. Typeform has over 120 integrations. Now down to the pricing. Jotform offers a freemium model, and the paid plans start at $34 per month for the bronze plan and the silver plan at $39 per month. And this is often the best value, offering 50 forms and 2,500 monthly submissions. Typeform, on the other hand, is based on monthly responses. The paid plans start at $25 per month for the basic plan, and the plus plan is at $50 per month. And this is a popular choice for small businesses, providing 1,000 responses and removing Typeform branding. On the pros and cons, you have a sleek one question at a time design, highly engaging and conversational forms, and then access to a vast template library. On the downside, you have only 10 responses per month for the free plan, and the forms are limited to 10 questions as well. And the interface can sometimes feel less flexible. However, on Jotform's side of the view, on the strengths, you have an all-in-one solution, a generous free plan, and extensive customization. On the downside, you have a steeper learning curve, and the traditional design can feel less engaging, and there is no multi-user collaboration on most plans. In conclusion, Typeform is ideal if you prioritize beautiful conversational user experience that maximizes completion rates. It's the perfect choice for marketers and designers focused on branding. Jotform is the more versatile all-in-one solution. Its broad suite of tools makes it a better fit for businesses that need to create complete workflows and not just forms. Ultimately, the choice depends on your needs. So don't forget to check out the links to both Typeform and Jotform in the description below so you can enjoy these services. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.